Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine, and I welcome you all in your science class. So, as you know, that today we are going to start chapter number 7, that is getting to know plants. So, in this chapter, as you can think from the name, as you can know by the name, that we are going to discuss about the plants that are found around us. As you know, in your surrounding, you can see a variety of plants, and out of those, some are very small in size, but some plants are very big in size also. All plants are not same in size. Some are just green patches on the soil. They are just like small green patches that are found on the soil. Out of the plants that are found around us, some plants have green leaves like this you can see, and some plants have red leaves also, as you can see on your screen. Some plants have huge red flowers. They have very big size red flowers. But some plants have tiny blue ones. They have very small size blue flowers. While some plants may not have any flowers. Okay? So we see a variety of plants around us. And in this chapter, we are going to study about variety of plants that are found around us. We are going to categorize the plants according to some of their features. Okay, so on the basis of some of their features, we can classify plants into three main categories. And those three main categories are herbs, shrubs, and trees. Apart from this, two more categories are there that we will discuss later in this video. So keep on watching. So we are going to start first of all with herbs. Okay. So let's start about herbs. So my dear students, there are some plants in your surroundings that have very soft and thin stem. Okay, they are very small in size. They have a green stem that is soft, or we can say tender stem, means soft stem. They are usually short in size and they may not have branches, as you can see on the screen. The plant which I have shown you is of mint, and this plant have soft and green stem. There are no branches. The leaves are directly attached to the stem. Okay, so this kind of plants, as you can see now, the plants are very small in size. Okay, they have no branches. There is only one stem. Okay, and if they have branches, then there are not many branches, only a few branches are there. Okay, so these kind of plants are known as herbs. Okay, so next, the category which we have to discuss is of shrubs. So the plants which are categorized as shrubs have medium height. Okay, they are of height like we are. Okay, उनकी जो height होती है वो हमारी जैसी होती है, जितनी height लगभग हमारी होती है. Shrubs have same height. Okay, and these plants have stem which is woody, which is hard, but not as thick as of trees. Okay, in this plant which you can see on your screen, as you can see my dear students, the branches arise near the base. Okay, this is main quality of shrubs, that branches they arise near the shrubs because they develop branches near the base of the stem. And the stem is hard, as you can see, the stem is woody and hard also, but it is not as thick as of trees, because the stem of trees is very thick, but the stem of shrubs is not as thick. Okay, and the height of the plant is also medium, not very large, not very small. Okay, so in this category, as you can see in this picture also, see my dear students, you can see that branches are arising, are developing near the base of the stem. Okay, so these have many branches. They have small leaves, medium sized, stem is hard but not thick. Okay, these are a few characteristics of shrubs plants. Now we are going to move on to the category of trees. Okay, this is one more example of shrubs. So now the next category which we have to discuss is of trees. Okay, so a few of the characteristics of trees are that they have a hard and woody stem. As you can see on the screen, the stem is hard and woody also, and the stem is thick also. Okay, so this is main quality of the trees. They are very tall. They have branches but not near the base. See, near the base branches are not there. Branches are somewhat on the upper side of the tree. Okay, and they have leaves on the upper side of the tree. But in case of shrubs, let me show you again, leaves are near the base. Okay, see, leaves arise near the base, but in case of trees, leaves arise on the top of the tree. Okay, and they have hard, woody, thick stem. These are main qualities of the trees. So next category which we have to discuss is of creepers and the plants. As you can see, it is clear from the name, creepers means which creep, means which spread on the ground. They have thin stem, they have weak stem. The stem is thin, weak and long. So they can't stand upright. वो सीधे खड़े नहीं हो सकते हैं क्योंकि उनका जो स्टेम होता है प्लांट्स का वो थिन होता है और वीक होता है. That's why they can't stand upright. Okay, so they spread on the ground, and the plants which have weak stem that cannot stand upright are categorized as creepers because they creep on the ground. As you can see in this picture, see my dear students, the stem is thin, long and weak. Okay, and in the case of veins, there is one more category in which there are tendrils. These structures which help plants to attach to any surface, to attach to any wood or any tree, okay, any stick. So these structures are known as tendrils. And the plants that have tendrils, but they also have thin and weak stem, but because of the support of these tendrils, they can climb up any surface, they can climb up any wall, or they can climb up any tree also. Like this, you can see this plant. In this plant there are tendrils, and this plant is climbing on the wires with the help of these tendrils, because these tendrils help plants to take support. Okay, that's why this plant can climb up. That's why this plant is known as climbers. We categorize this plant as climbers. So my dear students, in this video, as you have seen, we have discussed total 5 categories of plants. Number 1, herbs. Number 2, shrubs. Number 3, trees. And then creepers and climbers. I hope this all is clear to you. And now what you have to do, you have to read the same topic from your NCERT book on page number 52, 53 and 54, and fill table 7.1 also. Try to fill that table on the basis of categories which we have discussed in this video. Till then, take care, stay healthy and enjoy reading. Thank you, my dear students.